Good morning, student. I hope you all have watched the video of equivalent fraction. So, what are equivalent fraction? It represents the same part of the whole. Okay. See, when you reduce the fraction and you get the same initial fraction, that means the two fractions are said to be equivalent. We also check the two fractions whether they are equivalent or not by cross multiplying. This is your last question. This also will do. So you'll get a clear picture of what are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction are the fraction that represent the same parts of the whole, that is your initial one. Okay, now to find out the equivalent fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. जब भी हमें equivalent fraction निकालना है, हम डिवाइड भी और मल्टीप्लाई भी दोनों न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से करेंगे. नाउ हेयर द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, फिल इन द बॉक्सेस टू राइट द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. हमें 25/30 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन निकालना. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू रिड्यूस इट टू द लोएस्ट. ओके, देन ओनली विल गेट द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. नाउ टू गेट 5 वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय विच नंबर? 5. 25 को कैसे नंबर से डिवाइड करोगे कि आपके पास 5 है? 5. सो इफ द न्यूमरेटर इज डिवाइडेड 5 by 5, that means we have to divide denominator also by 5. So 30 divided by 5 gives you 6. So now 25 and 5/6 are said to be equivalent fraction because they represent the same part. Now go to the B part. Here we are multiplying. Now by which number are you going to multiply by 7 so that you get 49? Yes, right, it is 7. So if you are multiplying denominator by 7, that means you are going to multiply numerator also by 7. So 6 7s are, so 42/49 and 6/7, they both are equivalent. If you reduce 42/49, then you will get 6/7. That means they both are your equivalent fraction. Now your next question is, write the first 5 equivalent fraction of 3/5. Now let's do question number 4 onwards in your notebook. See how to find out the first 5 equivalent fraction. I told you when we have to find out, we will multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So we will start by 2. Why not by 1? Because if we start by 1, we will get 3/5 only. Okay, so we always start with 2. So we have to find out first 5. So we will start by 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. If you are given the question, find the 5 equivalent fraction, so you can multiply it by any number, maybe 11, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, any number. But if it is first 5, then you have to start it in a order. So 3/5 multiplied by 2, you get 6/10. 3/5 multiplied by 3, we get 9/15. 3/5 multiplied by 4, you get 12/20. 3/5 multiplied by 5, we get 15/25. This is the fourth equivalent fraction. 3/6 3/5 multiplied by 6, we get 18/30. So this is your fifth equivalent fraction. So all equivalent fraction, how are we going to write it? By using the sign of equal to. Okay, so 3/5 is equal to 6/10, equal to 9/15, equal to 12/20, equal to 15/20, equal to 18/20. This is the way we find out the equivalent fraction. So I have done one for you. I want you to do B part, that is 4/11 and 5/6 yourself. Now you have the fifth question in the book. Circle the fraction which is not equivalent to the others. We have to circle that fraction which is not equal. We have got 2 questions. Here we have 4 fraction. Here also we have 4 fraction. Now how to do it? So I have written the fraction. What I will do, I'll start reducing them to the lowest fraction. So first I'll reduce 21/49 to the lowest term. That means I have divided both the numbers by 7. Okay, because ये दोनों 7 के टेबल में आते हैं. So I got 3/7. देन आई रिड्यूस 9/21 by 3 क्योंकि ये दोनों 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. ओके, सो आई गॉट 3/7. नाउ 3/7 तो ये 1 से जाएंगे, सो 3/7 एज इट इज, इसको रिड्यूस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये ऑलरेडी रिड्यूस्ड है. देन 12/21, ये दोनों 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. सो आई डिवाइडेड दिस बाय 3, आई गॉट 4/7. सो दैट मीन्स व्हाट, योर 12/21, you have to circle it. This is not your equivalent fraction. This fraction is not equal to the other fraction. Got it? So you can do the second part yourself, B part. Now sixth question is, you have to find an equivalent fraction of 3/7 with numerator 15 and denominator 42. हमें 3/7 का equivalent fraction चाहिए जिसमें numerator 15 हो and B part में denominator 22. So I have written the question like this. Okay, now we want numerator should be 15. अगर आपको numerator 15 चाहिए, so 3 के टेबल में 15 कहाँ पे आता है, 5. दैट मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो दिस विल बी 15 एंड दिस विल बी 35. So your denominator, that means your fraction will be 15/35. Now you need the equivalent fraction of 3/7 जहाँ पे denominator जो है 42 होगा. So 3/7, 7 के टेबल में 42 कहाँ पे आता है, 6. So if I am multiplying 6 by the denominator, then I have to multiply numerator also by 6. So 3 6 are 18, 7 6 are 42. So you got your answer. So this is the way we find our answer, by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. Your last question is, find using the cross multiplication method. You have to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. That we will do tomorrow. I hope you people have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.